By using this remedy, you can grow 5 inches of your hairs in few days. From teenagers to oldies, everyone loves their hair because of the pivotal role it plays in defining one's face and looks. If you want an effective, safe and easy solution for your hair growth problem, this remedy can help you. It will deliver great results when used for hair growth. Before I directly dive to the solution, make sure you have subscribed this channel for more amazing content in the future. This remedy you will need an egg. Egg is rich in protein, sulfur, zinc, iron, selenium, phosphorus and iodine. The high protein content makes eggs one of the best ingredients that promote hair growth. The natural fats present in eggs moisturize and nourish the hair follicles and hair strands. Just add the egg in a bowl. If you have oily hairs or you have dandruff, you must add lemon juice to this remedy. This is because lemon has antifungal properties that help maintain scalp health. It helps control the production of oil in your scalp. Lemon juice also helps stimulate regrowth from dormant hair follicles. Just add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it. The next key ingredient of this remedy is cedarwood essential oil. Cedarwood is an ideal essential oil for hair growth because it balances the oil producing glands of the scalp. The warming oil significantly improves blood circulation, which can result in vigorous hair growth. Furthermore, it's antibacterial and antiseptic, which treats fungal problems and dandruff buildup. Just add half tablespoon of cedarwood oil to it. The last ingredient of this remedy is yogurt. Yogurt is full of protein that offers nourishment which the hair needs for proper growth and health. It has lactic acid that is great for cleansing the scalp and clearing away the dead skin cells to help your hair growth properly. Add a tablespoon of yogurt to it and mix all ingredients well to form a smooth paste. Apply it to your hair scalp carefully. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse with shampoo and cold water to remove it. Do this once a week for best results. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section below.